Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and on this Nissan Sentra we're going to go over how you remove this headlight assembly on your vehicle. So to start with, to be able to remove this, you're going to need to remove the bumper, because your bumper lays up inside of here, and so you can't remove this without removing your bumper. So you'll go through the process of removing your bumper. They have a video about how to do that. And the reason to be removing this or to replace it is because it's broken, or that if you have the LED lights built in here and they've gone out for whatever reason, you would need to replace this whole housing element. So to start with, after the bumper has been removed, you're going to have a bolt here, here, here on the side, and there's one down in here. So I'm going to start with undoing these. And so with those three bolts removed, we now have one down in here, and I'm going to reposition so you can see down where it is. But it's down in here, and so you can reach in through here, down through here, and you can get it with a wrench or your small ratchet. It's kind of tight to try to do it through here, and otherwise there is a plastic piece that you need to move here, move it to the side, but it's a little bit tough. So it's easier just to kind of reach down under and go through there. Alright, so we've got all the bolts removed. So the next, you're just going to kind of pull up on the tab here, because it's got a little plastic connect that holds it in there. And now the whole thing will pull out, and once you get to here, you're going to need to unhook this electric connector here. By just pressing down in the middle there, and then pull it undone, and that unhooks all the electric that is going to the whole headlight assembly. And so that way then we can just pull and remove the whole headlight assembly. And looking at it from the back, this is some wires that go in here. That is your turn signal. Your high beam is right there, low beam up here, and then this is a side marker light on this headlight assembly. And so if you need to get a new one, you just go through the reverse process. This is the bracket that bolt tightens into, that was down here on the bottom side, that I reached up around and did. So when you got your new one, you would just make sure you rehook the electric back up. You want to slide it in so that the light is in between there. We got a little plastic tab over here that's gonna slide into a nice little channel here. Make sure that this tab up top goes in there, and then that everything else lines up, the screw hole here and the bolt hole there, and then you just tighten those 4 bolts in, and then put your bumper back on. And so that's how you would replace your headlight assembly on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.